Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Car Top News, your one-stop destination for automotive and exclusive updates. Toyota Europe recently unveiled the newer model of the GR Yaris, a car designed to excel in various weather and terrain conditions, from muddy gravel tracks and burning asphalt to ice and snow-covered roads. This car is a testament to Toyota's commitment to building better vehicles by leveraging insights gained from top-tier motorsports. The newly debuted high-performance hatchback, first shown at the Tokyo Auto Salon, is a reincarnation of the GR Yaris Rally1 hybrid competition car. Distinguished by its potent combination of power, balance, and precise control, Toyota furnished enthusiasts with a chance to put the new GR Yaris to the test in Finnish snow and ice, its natural element. Upon its release, the GR Yaris exceeded expectations by not only asserting itself as a top contender in the hot hatch segment, but also overtaking other competitors. Toyota viewed this as only the beginning, hence the ongoing improvements over the past 3 years to hike the car's power, response, engagement, and overall drive. The team at Toyota GAZOO Racing has been relentless in enhancing the GR Yaris's characteristics as a driver-first car. They have incorporated insights from both race and rally professionals into the development process, resulting in a vehicle that delivers a special experience right from the start. Major improvements include advancements in the turbocharged 3-cylinder engine for increased power and torque, and the accommodation of a new 8-speed GAZOO Racing direct automatic transmission for swift gear changes. Ever since it was launched in 2020, the GR Yaris has been an embodiment of Toyota and Toyota GAZOO Racing's commitment to leveraging motorsport to develop improved vehicles. It enjoys a 99% satisfaction rating from its customer base, which includes many performance car buffs who see it as a fitting addition to their collection. These changes aside, the driving experience has remained relatively the same, with a few key updates. The normal setting now divides the torque 60/40 between the axles. The track setting varies between 60/40 and 30/70, and a new gravel mode keeps you stable when driving on slippery roads. Chassis is more or less the same, with a 24% increase in adhesive strength, 13% more spot welds, and a slightly firmer damping setup. Thank you for watching Car Top News. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.